Alright, so if you've been following along, you know I'm getting ready to do a full renovation in my backyard, and I'm about ready to get some steps going and get a jump start on this a little bit. But hold on just a minute and I'll show you what I'm doing today. Alright, so as you can see behind me here, I've got two different locations that are just bare dirt, and they haven't seen any turf grass. This spot here in about 3 years, and the other one hasn't seen it since before I bought the house 6 years ago. So part of the overseeding process is you want to hit the soil, whether you're fresh seed or overseed. You want to hit the soil back here with the Bio-Stim pack. Typically you want to do this 2 weeks before you're seeding or overseeding, but because this hasn't seen turf grass in several years, I'm going to do it an extra time. So I've got about 1 month till I'm going to seed. So I'm going to do that today, and then in 2 weeks I'm going to do it again. And what that includes is 9 ounces of Air8, 6 ounces of RGS, 6 ounces of MicroGreene, and 6 ounces of the humic 12 per 1,000 square feet. And that should hopefully help kind of revigorate any nutrients in the soil, especially the humic. It helps unlock that stuff and kind of prepare it for seeding, which would give me a healthy jump start. So that's what I'm going to do today. I only have about 500 square feet total to do, so I'm going to do a half an application. But the rate for the Air8 is 9 ounces per 1,000, and the RGS would be 6 ounces per 1,000. So I'm just going to do half that. Okay, so you want to do the Air8 and the RGS together is fine, and then in a separate application do like the humic 12 and the MicroGreene. When you do this though, make sure you top off your dilution spray, and that'll help with the dilution rate. Also help get it out a little more evenly. Alright, so next I'm going to do the application rate of 6 ounces per 1,000, the humic 12 and the MicroGreene. Since I'm only doing 500 square feet, that would be 3 ounces of each, and just get those evenly distributed and then get it all watered in. so watered that in for about 10 minutes, and just going to let that sit. And hopefully in about 2 weeks, all this, wherever it is here, all this grass will be dead and gone, and I'll do it again. Now, you don't need to do this step twice. You can do it once, 2 weeks before seeding, and that works just fine. But because, you know, the soil hasn't had any nutrients in 3 years, at least 3 years, I kind of wanted to kickstart it a little bit. So stay tuned for the other stuff. It's coming. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
What are you doing? Brutus, quit eating the grass.